Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're a Temu shopper, then you probably know about their awesome rewards point program. Today I'm going to show you how to use your Temu rewards points effectively so you can save more on your purchases. Let's dive in. First, understand how you earn points. I'm gonna open up the Temu. Let's quickly go over how you earn points. You'll get Temu rewards points by making purchases, leaving reviews, participating in promotions, and sometimes even by completing specific challenges or tasks within the app. The more active you are, the more points you earn. Next, keep track of your points. Make sure you're keeping track of how many points you've accumulated, right? You can view your total in the app or website by going to clicking on you at the bottom, and you're gonna find right here rewards, right? And you're gonna find how many points did you earn while shopping on Temu. Next, redeem points for discount. Once you have enough points, you can use them to get a discount on future purchases. You can apply points during checkout, right? Click card right here, click last chance at the bottom right. So I'm gonna select an item, let's say for example this one right here. I'm gonna add it to cart. Okay, and I'm gonna continue to checkout. Make sure right here you can view your we can check if you have enough for discounts on your next order. All right, next step, share or look for special offers. Temu often has special promotions where you can redeem points for higher value discounts or exclusive offers. Make sure to look out for those limited time deals where your points can go further. You can find them on the home page to find the best deals, right here you can find deals, or you can receive a notification that, hey, there's a limited offer on that product, so keep an eye out if you want to buy this one, right? And sometimes you can use your points to redeem exclusive products or gift cards. Check the rewards section by clicking you, right? And you're gonna see right here your rewards, and check the rewards regularly for any special offers that let you use your points in exciting ways beyond just discounts, right? And Temu occasionally offers bonus point events where you can earn extra points on select purchases or activities. Keep an eye on the app for these opportunities to boost your points balance. And that's how you use your Temu rewards points effectively. Whether you're saving on the next, on your next purchase or redeeming exclusive items, these points can really add up. If you found this helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more shopping tips, and let me know how you've used your rewards points in the comment section. Until next time, happy shopping and saving.